So I have watched a lot of videos about how can I withdraw money from Sweatcoin to PayPal, and a lot of videos don't even explain exactly how you can do that. I don't know why, probably they don't know. So yeah, I have found a solution for this, which is really easy, and you can start withdrawing money from Sweatcoin to PayPal. But there are some things you need to do before you can do that. So let's start right now. Now you want to go to your phone, iPhone or Android phone, and you want to open the app. I'm going to open it inside my laptop, and the same thing with your phone. Like, you just need to open the app, and the same thing will look like this. Now you want to click on your balance in the top right, okay, and then you want to click on this store at the bottom. Okay, as you can see, click on it. Now after you click on this, guys, you want to then search here for PayPal. Okay, you want to search for PayPal. I know that you will have a few different options here to buy products using your balance. You can also donate money to charities if you want. If you click on donate, you can donate this money to charity. But if you click on shop, you will be able to see all the products here that have the same price as your balance. I mean, you will, for example, if you have $10 on your balance, you will be able to see products that cost $10, and you can just purchase them and they will be delivered to your house. But I know that that's not why you clicked on this video. Click this because you want to withdraw this to PayPal. So what I have found, guys, the solution for this is you need, like I said, you either order a product, or you can donate this money to charity. Or the solution I have found is you just need to click the account here, your profile at the bottom, then click your profile in the top left, and then you want to click on this gear in the top right. Now after that, guys, you want to click on help, and then you want to click on order common, the bottom, and then you want to click on can I cash out my Sweatcoins to PayPal and my bank account. And as you can see here, guys, it says here, let me show you your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners. Like, you can spend your Sweatcoins in the marketplace with our brand partners, like I showed you. You can buy products, but it says here also PayPal and Amazon are features regularly, especially if you are inviting loads of friends. So what I have found, guys, is if you invite 20 people to Sweatcoin, you will be able to cash out to PayPal. That's it. I know that it's hard to get 20 it's hard to invite 20 people. I know it takes time. You need to find these 20 people, but that's it. That's exactly how hard they made it. Like, I don't know why they are doing this. It's very time consuming to invite 20 people so that you can cash your own money to PayPal or bank account. Yeah, but also at the bottom it says please note that the offers change at least once a day. If you do not see something you like today, then pop back tomorrow. So it means you just need to come back. Even if you don't want to invite 20 people, you just need to come back every single day, and then you can see what they are offering, and you can see what you like. So there are some times where you can see the offers that you like, for example, withdrawing the money to PayPal or the bank account, and then you can choose that option. But you always have to go to store here, and you always have to scroll down and see what they are offering. That's it. You can also buy gift cards if they are offering that here. Okay, I hope, guys, this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. Let me know what phone do you have in the comments. I will probably give you another solution. Okay, so drop a like and see you guys next video.